Why is the camera?
Hey guys. Wait, do you not want to be on the thing? No. Oh, okay. Okay, so he doesn't want to, my friend doesn't want to be on the thing, so it's just going to be us, but we're doing a burping thing, just, you know, because, why not? Ah! That actually kind of hurt my thumbnail, like, my time to start us off.
Seriously, update your
Yeah, I know, no, it's a glitch. It's a glitch, it needs to be, like, redone. Wait. What was that? This is like too watery for my burps. What was that? Were you trying to do the alphabet? You said 8, C. I guess I do it. I'm gonna speak in Burpinese. It's a very hard language to master. It's what are we doing? Wait.
It's the most pathetic video anyone will ever see.
Son of a bitch.
Alright, watch this. Right. Oh, I was trying to balance it, wait.
Jeez.
Sure. What?
Your mom. Everyone.
What the hell is this video?
I don't know. This thing.
I'll take my phone for it right.
Well, okay. No, because the volume goes up high anyway.
Yeah, I know, but yeah, I know, but it'll be bad for like headphone users.
Oh, actually, yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, go do it, go do it.
You?
No, can you please go do it? In the mic. Helpful morning, everybody. Oh, it's in my chest.
Me too.
Oh my god. Oh crap. This is gonna give me
This
is gonna give me testicular cancer.
Testicular.
It's like a drop. It's like stop. Wait. Oh wait, it's like trapped in my chest. I was having like little ones to get out. Oh shit! I'm vibrating my screen.
I feel the appetizer in my mind.
Oh.
Music on in the background.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, because it might copyright.
Alright, yeah. Ooh.
Turn the camera back on.
Yeah, no kiss on it.
Ah, that was a massive bowel movement. Oh. Oh shit.
You sound like animals like Jurassic World.
Oh shit. Woo! Ah.
That was so one.
Oh, it stinks now. Look at apples. Oh shit. Can you smell it? Oh.
Yeah, go on, close it now.
No.
That's a 6-minute video, Campbell.
Ugh.
Oh my. So not even a whole
Your mom.
You said.
You look like a fish.
What?
Yeah.
Oh well, we should do holding that. Oh yeah.
The way you shut someone up.
Oh yeah, it was like talking like aimlessly, and it's like, I'm not gonna shit. Exactly like that, there we go.
You should do a what? Okay.
We should do a holding breath challenge, because remember, mine is like 2 minutes.
I can barely do over 30 seconds.
Oh shit. Oh, that was like...
Disgusting.
Oh. Oh man. Sorry. That was a bit over the top.
This is a long video. Jesus Christ.
Well, I got the promise to make it over 15 minutes, so.
No one's gonna watch 15 minutes of burping.